Joan of Arc here, and we are at a rice mill. We call it ARROCERA. It's a Spanish word, but in Ilonggo we also use that ARROCERA. There are the rice hulls. This is where the rice is being processed. That is the rice mill, and we are getting rice hulls and rice hull compost for our garden. I'm staying in the car because the rice hulls is too much. It can cause allergies, so I'm here in the car. Rice in Ilonggo is bugas. Bugas. It's a staple food for Filipinos. When they remove the rice hulls from the rice, the byproduct is the rice hull, and they have a lot of that. It's a waste product, but it can be used in organic farming. So we will place that in our little garden. Yan, inanggalinupad.
Oo, ang ano gitsang humay.
This is Pacit, by the way. So they're all.
Gilok na mo.
The gilok is the fly. It's like snow, but it's actually rice hulls flying everywhere.
Ini mga tao.
Upa is the rice hull. Tapos ginasalod sina sang truck gakadto na da. So the rice hull goes into that truck. So these are the waste products. Mga sagbot na lang na siya. Waste products. And then ang rice, the rice goes into that building.
Da nila ibubo ang humay, ang upa dito.
Humay is the
ibubo nila dao kita mo
unpolished rice. Okay,
tapos,
that's the upa.
ang bugas siya, dito na igadalagan sa sulod.
Ang bugas. The polished rice goes into that mill.
Okay, ato to na daan ang iya na laganan sa bugas sa
and
sulod.
they get into the sack, and then they're ready for distribution. Okay. These are the processed rice and put in sacks. Sako. So, they're in their sacks already. Sako. Okay, so this is Joan of Arc. This is Joan of Arc and Pacit. Signing off for now, and see you again with our next word of the day.